Welcome to this short video clip which shows you how to get the Zoom video conferencing app started. Given that I'm the only person here at the moment, then I can't demonstrate lots of people all participating in a video conference, so you'll only see the basic instructions on how to start it and that sort of stuff. A future video clip will be produced with more participants in there. Anyway, just to get started, we select this icon here, which is the Zoom icon, blue in color, and the symbol inside there, some people say it looks like a water bottle. No, it's meant to be a camera, a camcorder rather. So that's the symbol there. Anyway, I will select this Zoom icon and it says start a meeting. So start or join a video meeting on the go. It's this button here that you want to select, which is marked join a meeting, the blue one. And once you select that, what happens is that a very useful field here, which is a meeting ID, arrives along with a keyboard here. Now you'll have been given two pieces of information. One is the meeting ID and the second one is the passcode. So using those items, type them in. So I've been given 923-276-6848, and then your name is marked here, and in this example it's John Smith. If you want to change your name, you would just press your finger here and using this keyboard make any amendments that you want to your name. Once that's done, then you just press on the join button here, and at that stage it goes to the next authentication step, which is please enter your meeting passcode. Now meeting passcodes are what's called case sensitive, so if you got a capital letter you must type it in as a capital letter. If it's a lowercase letter, then likewise must type it in as a lowercase letter. So let's just type in the passcode. The passcode given to me was a capital B followed by lowercase I-P-I-N and then 0606, 0606. Now notice that the meeting passcode appears as a string of dots. That's to prevent anybody looking over your shoulder from copying it down. It's just an extra security measure. Once you've done that, you would press the OK button. It says preparing meeting, connecting, and then it says please wait, the meeting host will let you in soon. That's a signal has already gone to the host saying that this particular person, John Smith, is trying to join the video conference. Please let them in. So we just have to wait for a few seconds until that happens. Okay, so we've now been let into that meeting, which is wonderful news. Now, we have to select Wi-Fi or cellular data over here, okay? No need to select dial-in, that's a completely different thing. So when we select Wi-Fi or cellular, it says you're using the device audio, which is correct. And at that stage, we're into the meeting. Now, I know that there isn't any person here, but this is actually another room in my house, and that's what you're looking at. And by tapping the screen, you can see you've got some useful controls here. This is how you mute and unmute your microphone, and the controls keep vanishing. So to make them come back, just tap on the screen. There it is. So that's how you mute and unmute your microphone. And I'll just show you how. What you do is you just press your button, and now that microphone is available, press that sign, and there's a red line through it showing that it's no longer available. It's switched off. So that's a very important thing to be able to learn. Switched on and switched off. Okay, similarly there are other controls here which I want to show you. This one here is to start and stop the video. So at the moment, because it's got a red line through it, the video, the camcorder, the webcam rather, is actually switched off. The webcam is actually positioned here. So that is the webcam. Can you see that? Yes, you can. This is actually a webcam. It's a little camera that looks at you. Now, when I do switch it on in a second, of course, it's going to look at the ceiling, but that's all right. You'll understand. So you just tap your screen, tap your finger on the screen, press the start video, and that's it. It's come alive. And what you're looking at is this little piece here. So this is you, and this is the other people, okay? So this is you, and this is the other people. And if I just press over here, then it gets switched. So you're looking at the ceiling of this room at the moment. Sorry about that, but another time I'll demonstrate video conferencing properly. And if you press here, you go back to the other person. So this is how you can switch around. So your own image can be shown at the bottom here. And if there were 5 or 6 people, they would all be shown over here. And to then switch off your video, you just press over here, and that's you with your video actually switched off. There are various other controls that are also available, and if I can just show you them. If you press over here on participants, it'll tell you that there are actually 2 people in the video conference at the moment. There's this person in the other room, and then there's this person who's part of this webcam on this tablet. It shows you that the video for Bipin0606 is switched on at the moment. Otherwise, it would be red with a line through it. However, his microphone is switched off. But as far as this tablet PC is concerned, both the video is switched off and the microphone is switched off. I hope you can see that. To go back one level, you just press this little button just here on the tablet PC, and that takes you back to where you were. By pressing the More button here, then you can see there's all kinds of other things that you can do. I don't intend to demonstrate that at the moment, but this is where your chat is there, various meeting settings. You can raise your hand, you can give a thumbs up signal, all that kind of stuff is tucked away under the More field just here. Share screen, it's a little bit advanced for us for the moment, but just to show you, if you press shared screen, and it says only the host can share in this meeting, so the host hasn't given permission for anybody else to share their screen in this video conference. So we just say okay. Now, if by mistake you should go into what's called driving mode, and you can go into driving mode like that, then this is what it'll look like. Now, this is where, if you're using this whilst on the move, as it were, then this is the interface that you would use. We don't really need to go there. So if this should ever happen to you, all you do is just kind of scroll it back like that, and you're back to where you were. When you finished your video conference, then what you do is you tap on the screen, and a very useful leave button arrives there, which will vanish in just a few seconds' time. There you go, it's vanished again. And if it vanish, then just tap your finger again, and the leave button will appear. Okay. To leave the meeting, you just press your finger on the leave button like that, and then it says, "Are you sure? Do you want to leave the meeting?" Yes, I do. So I just click on there, and there I go. I'm now out of the meeting. I can get back to my home screen by just pressing that. I hope that was a useful introduction, basic steps on how to start and how to leave the Zoom app. Thank you for watching.